Hi, it's Paul, paulswackyworld.com, and also on my YouTube channel. But I just want to let you know that I do teach a shooting class. A lot of people teach shooting classes, self-defense, and all different titles, shooting, safety, whatever. I teach something a little bit different. We used to call it beer can shooting. In other words, long-distance precision shooting. When you go out with the boys, you really impress them when you got a beer can out there at 50 yards or something, and you just kind of walk it around with the gun. It's kind of evolved over the years into what we call long distance shooting, long distance precision shooting. And I was trying to put a movie up, send it to somebody, but I couldn't because the movie's too big, blah blah blah, and all that. So anyway, I thought I'll just put it on YouTube so everybody can see it. I'm not advertising or anything like that. A lot of people teach shooting classes. But anyway, here's just an example of how far you can shoot with the standard handgun. The class basically, we do about 3 hours shooting rubber bullets, working on technique, and it's more of a coaching class. I've never had more than 3 people at one time. I don't think I could handle more than 3 at a time because it's mostly shooting coaching. And like I said, we do shoot rubber bullets, but this takes all the stress out of the class because we're not shooting real bullets. The noise level isn't there. We're not at a shooting range with all the distractions. And after the first day of about 3 hours, then we try to, within a week, go to the shooting range, a semi-private shooting range so it's not too crowded. And then we do about another 3 hours of shooting. So here is one of my past students. In fact, he was one of the last students I just had. And what he does is, he does very well, but this is about what everybody does. It's not exceptional. Everyone has results about the same as this. So let's first see him shooting. We've already shot a little bit. Now we've backed him up to 47 yards, and he's going to be shooting. I believe the first gun is a SIG. Part of this is we keep switching guns. No, there's no special gun, just normal guns. So the first one I believe is a SIG 2022. He's going to be shooting in 9mm. So watch how he does with this.
There we go.
All right. Hey, that's what you got to do. All right.
Holy shit.
What? That's dead center, man.
I just wouldn't believe it at this range.
Hey, you're the man.
Well, no. You're the man.
So let's see if you can do 3 now. Take your time, don't rush it. They're both in the inner circle too. Okay.
Yep. Which is funny because the target's completely blurry.
It's supposed to be, just so you see the front sight. Well, you bitch. Okay. I'm not even going to shut the camera off. I'm just walking down because someone will say it was fake. Blah, 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 blah.
That's really 50 yards?
It's 47 from where we are. So you happy, boy?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy. It's good shooting.
There you fucking got it, boys. Well, after he shoots the SIG and gets it all worked out, then we go over to his gun. It's a Walters P99. This is in no way what you consider a highly precision target gun or anything like that. Just a normal pistol that you'd normally carry. It's kind of a compact. And anyway, this is a good example of what I try and teach is any gun, anytime. If you know the grip, you know what you're doing, you can put all the elements together. Any gun, anytime, you can shoot a tight group. I think his Walters might shoot just a little bit high. I believe that's the gun, but we say a little bit high at this distance. You know, that's silly, nothing to complain about. So anyway, watch him shoot his Walters now, and see what you think. Okay, so what are you shooting now? Your Walters.
Yes.
Okay, I don't want to put any pressure on you, but you know, I put you in my phone book on my phone.
Yeah.
And it says Rich FTFT.
Too fat to fuck?
That's it. Alright. I don't know where it is, but it don't make a difference. You're on the steel. There you go. There you go. With the little compact Walters, that's pretty damn good. How do you feel about that?
I feel pretty good about that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go look at it.
All right. I hit one good shot.
Well, that's all it takes.
The other two are a little bit high, I think. Once again, right in between the chains.
Probably. Yes, I don't see any marks anywhere. Here. You're right there at the damn chains again.
Did we break? Is that the way it was?
Yeah, that's the way it was.
Good. Alright.
Alright. You happy, boy?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy.
Alright. Now that we're done basically with the class part, I told him, you know, bring his AR and we'll screw around, but another thing I told him before we had the class was I was taking a big risk assuming he was a normal AR kind of shooter. I told him that I was going to kick his butt with any one of my handguns against his AR. And he said something like, oh, well, you know, 25 feet. I said, no, up to 100 yards. And he just says, boy, you know, you got a lot of crap, you know, you're spewing now. And I says, well, we'll just see. So we went on and we shot his AR, you know, just kind of just for fun. And I shot my AR and we just messed around for a while. And then, just as we packed up and went to leave, and just before we left, it was actually getting dark out. And I took him over to the 100-yard range. And we shot 100 yards with my 45. It's just a cheap 45. There's nothing special about it. And I let him kick his own butt. So watch the end result at 100 yards. It was getting a little dark, but watch the end result. And you'll see how he did. And you make up your own mind. But I do encourage everybody to get some kind of firearms training from a skilled professional. Yeah, your buddy can do a good job, but make sure your buddy has more knowledge than just somebody that goes out and blasts. So, have fun, shoot safe, shoot straight.
Right on the chamber.
Okay, waiting for you.
Okay.
In the dirt. Hit. Hit.
Holy shit.
What do you think, boy? So wait a minute. We were shooting your AR before when you're standing offhand at 100 yards. How many rounds out of how many rounds did you hit?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
How many times did you just hit this rock?
3 out of 6.
And this is 8 inches, and the other target was a 12-inch target. So what does that mean?
That means that a 45 pistol is more accurate than an AR-15.
No, it means you can shoot a pistol more accurate than you can shoot an AR-15. That's what that means.
That's pretty amazing.
All right. Good to go.
Good to go.